Oops. No, not what I wanted to do. E. Go back. What's going on, Stupidity Evolved? Welcome in, my friend. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm just taking care of some quick stuff real fast. Today's stream gonna be a little bit different. We're kind of chilling today. We're gonna be doing some programming. I kind of wanted to do a little bit of a programming stream. I've been talking a lot about my my program I've been working on, and I know my screen is absurdly bright, and I look like I'm staring into Jesus's light. But I'm just trying to take care of something really fast, and then we'll be getting a move onto the programming side of things. Just chilling, nothing serious today. How are you doing today? I hope your day is going wonderful. Da, 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 da. All right, yeah, that should work. Maybe not. Hiding in manager's office with a smooth bore right now. You'll be touched. Yes, 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 yes. I don't know. I might be doing the touching of you because I got programming things I'm gonna be working on today, and I might program something special for just you. For just you. I want to put something on the back end of my program that's only gonna fuck with Goku. All right. That should look normal now. I'm not staring at a bright ass screen anymore. Let's put this down. All right. Before I get started, I did put something in the description for YouTube, but just for everybody else on the other platforms. For my TikTok side and my Twitch side, which doesn't really have a description for. What's up? What's your name? Esvin? Esvin? I think that's how you pronounce that. Welcome in, welcome in. I don't have a description on Twitch or TikTok for this, so I'm just saying this out loud for the other platforms. I do use AI to help me with programming. I do know how to program in C#, HTML, JavaScript, all that shit. But I'm actually using AI just because it's easier. It helps me create code blocks that does shit without me actually having to code it myself. Despite I can code it myself, I just taking the lazy route here. Where the fuck is my? There it is. Jesus. So because I'm actually programming my chat, I gotta have separate chats for everything. Just because my chats are obviously going to be in and out of functionality, so you guys are not going to see the standard overlays that y'all see. Well, you might see it actually. You might see it. Who knows? In fact, you should see it. Let me turn on, because I have to turn on StreamerBot for all this to start working correctly. I don't know. It might work. It'll be in and out while you guys are watching. Like while you guys are typing, it might be in and out. Especially if I have to restart the program, because that happens a lot during programming. Shut it down, open it up, shut it down, open it up. Let's see. Where? Oh, where? There you are. All right, we got that going. Actions. There we are. Ah, yes. I'll minimize that for now. Minimize this too. All right. See, let's get crack-a-lackin'. Almost all set up here with where I want everything. The fuck is my computer doing? Put that there. And put that there. Who said that? What's going on? How you doing? The fuck is going on? Travis, I'm doing some programming, my friend. Doing some programming. Nothing special. Welcome in, I don't want to mispronounce your name. Mamaines? Mama Ness? What's up? How you doing? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Let's see. What's up, David? How you doing, buddy? Welcome to the stream, welcome to the stream. We're just doing some programming here, some little bit of development. I'm actually writing a multi-chat program, which you're kind of seeing on screen right now at the top, like right above my head right here for all my vertical viewers and for all of my non-vertical viewers. That way. No, that. I'm sorry, straight above me. I just died to a cheater. I'm super sad. All the code I'm seeing is making my brain hurt. Oh, you haven't even gotten involved yet. This is like just the main program. This is my shortest script, actually, I think. Only 800 lines. I got one right here for you. This script right here is 1,843 lines. And this is just one script all in itself as well. Let me see. Where was I at? Where was I at? IDK, what that means? It just means that we're doing fancy shit on the back end. Unless you're talking about 67. Yeah, I'm not gonna say those numbers individually from each other. I don't play that game. I'm a little older than 12 years old. Sorry. And all right, let's see. So, ooh, fancy stuff. Yeah, this is kind of the back end stuff that y'all don't see me do. Ah, nope, not what I wanted. Wait, nope. I need this. As I said, I use AI to help me code just because I'm lazy to do shit. So I'll just get code blocks and plop them in places, make things work. It's me. What's up, guy? Welcome in, man. Glad to see you back. Glad to see you back. All right, let's see. No, maybe not that. So what code language is this? Like, is it Python or something else? It's actually C#. I program in C#. It's what I'm most comfortable with. It's what I learned a little bit in college for. So that's kind of what I program in right now. C#. Hey, Spawntastic Moose. I got both streams pulled up on my phone now. Well, I can do fancy stuff with my phone too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate the support. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you lurking on both. You doing anything? Programming. Working on programming, at least. Trying to. See, after this, we're gonna add this bit. Definitely a different pace of a stream, I'll say, for sure. Because I almost feel like I should be streaming this stuff whenever I'm, you know, on the back end, not playing Delta Force. It gives me a different thing to stream, which, hang on, actually, by the way, hold the phone. I don't even know if I updated my Twitch, like, category, what I'm streaming to. Maybe even YouTube. I don't even know if I updated any of it. Let's see. I did not. Wow. All right, give me a second. Change that to just chatting. And I don't know. Can I update my YouTube live? Like the category I'm streaming into right now? Maybe. Tags. I just says entertainment. I guess that works. We'll keep it as is. My YouTube category should be good. Yeah, both of them just say entertainment. That's fine. Works. You know, I should pull my chats down here so I can see my chats more clearly. This one. And grab this. There. Come on, man. Work with me here. There we go. Stupidity Evolved, to kind of elaborate more on my answer. So this is C# that you're seeing directly, but I do have CSS for, you know, HTML styling, control HTML, or not control HTML, I'm sorry, HTML for the actual web page, and then JavaScript to run the page. I like your videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Is the music too loud, by the way? Like, is it? I feel like it's too loud. I turned it down just a smidge. I almost feel like my music is way too damn loud. I have no idea. You still owe me that play. Hey man, you talking about whenever you talking about King of the Hill, right? You talking about King of the Hill on Delta Force? I play Delta Force tomorrow. Stop in. I'm pretty sure you wanted to play King of the Hill. I've got you. Just join in on me. Pop in tomorrow at 9 p.m. I stream 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can also check my schedule. It's up there. You should play Bloodstrike. It's a good game. Let me take a look. Is it on Steam? Oops, wrong PC. I'm typing it on my program. No. Bloodstrike. Let's see. Take a look here. Battle Royale, Squad Fight, and Hot Zone. Like there's no tomorrow. Bloodstrike offers a wide range of playable strikers, each with a unique active and passive ability letting you deploy drones, shield walls, and everything else. It almost sounds like just another Battle Royale slop. I'm not a huge fan of Battle Royales, unfortunately. I mean, maybe one day I'll try it, but... Oh, I'm streaming. Yes, I am streaming. You can play it on anything? That's actually kind of cool. Can't lie. We getting an error here. Let me take a look at this. Or overriding. So. Ay. We'll worry about that in a second. We shall worry about that in just a second. Go back over here for a sec. Let's try to replace this. Probably not, but we're gonna try it. Not recording? I'm not recording. No, I'm not recording tonight. I've got a video that will go out tomorrow. They got Hot Zone and they don't. They got a lot of stuff. Yeah, I was seeing it. The main thing that kind of caught my eye was the Battle Royale. I feel like games that include Battle Royale almost explicitly focus on Battle Royale. I could be wrong though. I mean, it almost seemed like that game was going to probably explicitly emphasize Battle Royale. Add something over here. Don't like the way that pasted in there. Have that in there just for now. Do I play GTA? No, I do not. Give me one. All right, I have returned. I am back. I am so sorry. Did I miss any chats? I did not. All right, we're good. We're still good. All right, I need to find... All right. find out where this error is right. Okay, I don't need to worry about that error right now. I'm still trying to put something kind of over here in a different script. I don't need a few things. I actually don't need this. Don't need this. I don't need any of this shit. Yo, what's up, Mio? Welcome in. You know, maybe I do. Hang on. Welcome in, Mio. Welcome in. We're doing some nerdy shit right now. Alright, we're actually gonna get rid of these. We're gonna have some errors, but that's okay. That's alright. We're gonna fix it all. We're gonna fix all of our errors. No gaming today. Nope. Nope. We're doing nerdy shit. We're chilling. We're doing nerdy shit. That is what we be doing. You want me to get something? What do you want me to get? You want me to guess your age? I don't know. 22. I'm just throwing a number out there, honestly. I have no idea, man. Spontastic Moose says 58. He could be 70. He could be 70. 25. Mio says 25. That's not what I wanted. Come on, you dumb thing. You know, sometimes I hate web pages that are designed poorly. Makes it hard to work with it. I'm gonna give you a hint. I am a teenager. You're 14. In that case, you probably, I don't know if you should be in my chat. I do have, I think, adult filtering on my chat. This is my channel is an adult show. Ban him. He shouldn't even be on Twitch. Well, see, Spontastic. He's actually not on Twitch. He's over on YouTube. 16. 9. Okay. 13. 19. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. He says he's 19. He's okay. He's all right. He can be here. He can be here. Let's see. Yeah, he can be here. If someone is going to be outright with their age, then they need to be like 18 or up. I'm just saying. You need to be of age to consume my content. Are we going to get rid of this? We clear up 2 of the errors, which it did. Underage shouldn't be allowed on the internet. No one understands 21 should be allowed on social media. I mean, I can agree to a degree. I'm 30-year-old man with Bill in my hand, man. Yes, yes, yes. Right there with you. Still right there with you. All right, we gotta address some of these other problems here. But you know what? It probably won't get fixed. Multi-chat's down for a second. Don't kill me. Multi-chat's gonna be down for just a second. I still got you though. Shit, join the club, brother. BRB, it means be right back. Yes. That's exactly. Yes. What do you mean? Let's see. All right. Relaunch the program. No, what the fuck? Hello? That error did not pop up until I tried to compile. Come on, fucking Visual Studio. What are you doing? I hate it whenever shit does this shit. Oh. Lighting is fucking up my camera. There we go. Fixed it. Alright, let's go here. Got the nodes. That all looks good. All right. All right, multi-chat's back on. Everything's working good. A little bit of programming at a time. A little bit of programming at a time gets the job done. It is working. Dams, don't break it all at once. It's little cracks. Yeah, I know, right? Let's see. You chatted, so we did get an event bus log, which is important. We need the event bus logs because that gives us what we need in order to... Thank you, sweetheart. That gives me what I need for the next part that I'm trying to work on. Thank you. Oh, okay. That one's got a bottom issue. Jesus Christ, I can't even put that anywhere. Bus logging is fun. Spamming. Yes. Well, it's actually not bus logging. What it is it's a bus event or event bus. So I built, of course, with the help of AI. I have to keep saying this, otherwise new people coming in won't understand. I am using AI to help me build this. I know the program. I know the language. I can speak the language, but I'm lazy. But basically, what the event bus is doing is it acts as a bridge between the program pipeline, where all the events come in from chat, follows, bits, super chats, anything like that. Like a concert bus. Kind of. Actually, you know what? Kind of. We can make that work. So it's like a concert bus. All of your bands come in on different buses, right? So you could have. I personally am a big fan of post-hardcore bands. So like you have Asking Alexandria, you could have As I Lay Dying, A Day to Remember, all come in on different buses, but they all come in and do the same thing, right? They get their own room, they get their own everything, right? And that's what the event bus does. The event bus takes stuff in, and depending on the event, or in this case, like if it's a follow or bits or anything like that, it puts it to the correct place. I played with my daughter for the first time on Delta Force. Her luck is insane, man. First run, got 1 HOA and 2 gold bar. Wow, 1 fuel. Damn, I never had so much luck. My man, you need to stop having the luck. I don't think it's your daughter. I think it's you. Because last time I checked, you said you had a whole bunch of HOAs. What, like 20 of them, right? Like 25? I'm being bussed against my will. There's a lot more things that you're being done against your will that you have no idea about, my friend. It will be open source. And of course, obviously, I'm streaming the code right now, so it's not like there's anything to hide. You have 23 HOAs? My man. What the fuck you mean you have 23 of them bitches? Oh, wait, hang on. Not that. I lied. Place this one with this one. There we go. Modify that slightly. All right, we gotta restart. We gotta restart the program again. Hopefully we don't have any issues. I gotta wait for it to catch up. Yeah. You have one HOA and they're a pain in your ass? I'd imagine. But I have a feeling you two are not talking about the same thing. I'm just gonna go out on a limb. I don't think y'all are talking about the same thing. This fucking broccoli's huge, dude. I'm trying not to get it everywhere. Have you had Raising Cane's? I don't think so. I've heard about them, though. That is like a restaurant, right? I'm not being dumb. I'm pretty sure it's a restaurant. Yeah, it's a restaurant. I haven't had it. All they do is chicken tenders, I've heard. Like I said, I've heard of them. I've heard the name Raising Cane's before. Just haven't been there. Okay, my music is still going. I was a little concerned for a second. Oh, wait, nope. Hello? Keep playing. It was, wait. It was disappointing? You mean it wasn't good? I've heard good things about them. Like, just being honest, I've heard good things about them. Value at 229 million for 23 HOAs. I hope to get at least 40 before selling them. Why? You don't need that much money. I would have been besides myself if I hadn't gotten those from the gas station. But from a dedicated tender place? Nah. Hey, Mio, maybe you should sell those 23 HOAs and buy me some Dr. Pepper because I'm running out. Hang on, wait, before we start addressing these issues. I believe I already have connection state, right? I already been, okay, yeah. Disconnect. Okay, right above the method. Shit was soggy, the breading was falling off everywhere. Explained to me how the fries were dry, but the chicken was caked with grease. I have nothing. I got nothing. I got nothing for you. Hang on. Wait. I gotta do this. Okay. I think that's it, right? Or no? Hang on. Wait. Change this to that. I'd imagine I gotta do the same thing right here. Maybe. Likewise for disconnect. Okay, yeah. That should fix that problem. It made me feel so poopy after. I did not like it. Again, not bad tenders, but not a place where where it's all they do. Yeah, I guess that's a good point. Usually whenever places they do like a specific type of food, they typically tend to drop the ball because they get complacent, right? They'll get complacent in what they're making and they think that it's all great and Gucci and shit. And then you know, they start losing track of what they do and the way that their food is supposed to taste. I can see that. Ah, you bitch. Is it still working? Hello? I got a pop. And the cane sauce just tasted like a mixture of ranch and a Thousand Island. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, we're gonna address all these errors here as and like right now. Is it? Wait. Are you saying it's true that Delta Force Max coin is only at 3 bill? Or not only at, but at 3 bill? Because that's nuts. If it's at 3 fucking bill, that's nuts. All right, I'm gonna use the power of a notepad to help me out here for a second. Hate dealing with these fucking errors that I can't stack up fast. I feel like I'm sitting here with my thumb up my ass trying to get these errors in here. There we go. Yeah. I just do Control-Shift-C. Yeah, there we go. Pop them over here. And we start debugging. We got 4 errors we gotta fix. Where is it at? There it is. There we go. I fixed all the errors. Now I can compile, which means, hey, the multi-chat's back on. Yee! Look at that. $2.9 billion, that's nuts. I'm honestly over here with like 7 million thinking I'm a high roller. Because I can afford to build out a build. When you got people over here with hundreds of million, and Mio, you're telling me that there's people out there with like 2.9 billion. That's crazy. Like, those people either don't sleep, they only play Delta Force, like, they don't have a job, or they just go, they do knife runs all the time. They log in, run knife runs, and then that's it, they log out. So I got good news here for my program. So basically what I'm doing right now, just for those who are joining in, or even for those who have not been kind of keeping up with the programming side of this. So I'm creating a connector interface. So this is going to be an open source program where other developers can come in and put their own DLLs into this program and allow them to add like Kick or Facebook or X or Instagram, whatever you're live streaming. If you can develop and you make a DLL that can tie in with my program will run your DLL, and then it'll actually natively implement it'll natively implement your code as long as you know, I guess, like the API on the back end for my program. So I'm basically designing the connector interface, and then I'm going to start with Twitch, actually making the first Twitch connector, which will allow me to test direct connection to Twitch. Because right now, what I do for my program is I use like this right here for even just like Twitch chat, right? So for Twitch chat, and this is all dealing with the overlay. This has nothing to do with a multi-chat like in OBS, so I could see it, not the one that, you know, user, like, you know, you guys, viewer facing. So I use a dispatcher, which is in C# program right here. This handles all my chat, right? Actually, no, this is everything. This is all my events. So you got like YouTube membership, YouTube subscription, shit like that. So it actually runs and it builds a payload and it sends it over to my program from StreamerBot. So right now, everything, all the events that I'm getting, so chats, follows, all that shit, is coming from StreamerBot, and StreamerBot's sending it over to my program. But what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to cut Twitch completely out of StreamerBot. So that way it's just my program. It's called Overlay Hub. So it's just my program, Overlay Hub, running the Twitch. I don't have to rely on StreamerBot for Twitch anymore. Then I'm going to work on the YouTube API, because I think Twitch and YouTube both have an open API that you can use. I think I might have to get sign up for their developer page or something like that just to get the access to it. But it'll allow me to actually directly pull from Twitch and from YouTube straight into Overlay Hub, which will, completely eliminate StreamerBot. TikTok's a little bit trickier. They actually have, I think, a private API. So once I have this working on Twitch and YouTube, and I have it so that way people can implement DLLs and stuff on the open source side, at that point, once people start using the program, then I can apply for a TikTok developer API, I think. I would have to email them directly and kind of ask for that permission, because I know like Tickfinity, right? Tickfinity already does this. So Tickfinity is where I get all my TikTok stuff. I kind of explained this briefly on my setup video, but everything from Tickfinity grabs all my TikTok shit and it sends it over to StreamerBot, and then StreamerBot translates it over to my Overlay Hub program. So I'm trying to eliminate both StreamerBot and Tickfinity completely out of the equation. I'm trying to just completely eliminate that shit, which is nice whenever that happens. I mean, streamers will be able to just sign into their shit and not have to set up StreamerBot. Fuck yeah, man. Who needs them? Well, StreamerBot still runs like all my alerts. So whenever I get like a new follower alert, an example would be this. That's all ran through StreamerBot. That one went from Tickfinity over to StreamerBot and then over to OBS. But that alert right there is actually ran through StreamerBot. So it still runs all my alerts, right? But like the chat alert, so what you see physically in the chat, the multi-chat that I have set up, that's all based on, that's all based on my program, which I'm trying to eliminate StreamerBot out of. So eventually I'll probably deal with alerts on OBS and maybe make a connection to OBS. But for now, kind of starting on one topic at a time. Multi-chat. Let's do... No, not Stu. Oh shit, hang on, I gotta close it. Can't do anything. I'll put that right there. Do that right there, and then I'm gonna add this down here at the bottom. Didn't get any compilation errors right now. Didn't get anything. There's a hair in my food. What the hell? Nothing beats good old mac and cheese. To install a package for them. See, I don't think I need to. We've got to create our own. Clear that up. All that shit. I don't need any of it. I don't need any of it. I do. Hang on. Hold the phone. Yeah, I do. We're gonna get rid of it for now. We'll fix the errors in a minute. All right, buddy, I'm gonna go to bed. Have a good night. I'm gonna just be lurking. Cool. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for lurking. Thank you for stopping in. I'm just gonna be here for a little bit, maybe an hour or so, maybe 2. I don't know. Kind of depends. Kind of depends on how I'm feeling.
Well. Dun, 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 dun.
food. What happened to my notepad? All right. Layout post. Remove these lines. To get rid of the errors. There we go. Fix that. Wait a minute. This is supposed to be... Oh, not that. Maybe? Or not. We'll address that in a second. try this. Wait. I didn't know I had 2 event dispatchers.
Yeah. What if I just do
I'm gonna do this for a second, just in case. Just in case something goes down. I'm gonna keep that right there. And then supposedly we should be able to just delete this. Hopefully it doesn't fuck with anything. Probably will. There we go. That fixed it. We got it. Let's see if anything's broken. My guess is that something's gotta be broken. Something's got to be broken. Gotta be. There's no way something's not broken. Oh shit. Okay, that didn't break anything. Cool, sweet, awesome. Nothing's broke. The old dispatcher, I had an old dispatcher in there somewhere. That was legacy code. It was obsolete, not being used anymore. We found it, we got rid of it. You know, sometimes whenever these projects get to a certain size, it sucks. Oh shit. Stop it. Delicious.
Bet.
Moving forward. Oh, subscribers. Yeah, subscriber. I'm gonna update this. Ah, yes. Good old date time. Add this at the top. I feel like that should be added before everything. We'll put it at the top.
Yeah.
wanted.
No.
Oops. Get rid of that too. What is this music? Come on, man. Give me something good. Give me something good, man. Okay, that. We're gonna undo this for a second. I don't even think I have a viewer snapshot yet, do I? I do, but I don't. I'm kind of understanding what I need to do now. We're getting there. We're getting there. This fucking thing is confusing the fuck out of me. It doesn't even exist. I'm surprised I don't have anything calling those methods anymore. I think I gotta do using a dot or dot. Then that down there should start. There it is. Bucket server then should be. Okay, maybe not. Hello? Quick static maybe? I'll address that in a second. That public. Let's go. This needs to be pure snapshot. Oh, fixed. Fixed. A lot of these errors that need to be fixed. See what this is. Create your snapshot. What the fuck? Hello? Viewer snapshot. Create viewer snapshot. Over here. Why is that not working? Pretty sure all these errors are going to get fixed with one little tiny fix. Pretty certain they're all going to get fixed with one little tiny fix. And I think I already know what it is. I think that pretty much should fix all of them, right? Yep, everything. fix all these too. Otherwise, none of this shit gonna work. Nope, nope, not what I want. All right, all of those are now fixed. Shouldn't have any issues now pulling from them. And I threw a problem. Check that shit out. I actually needed that error. Hang on. Relaunch this for a second. There we go. I don't need that. That's fine. Alright, that should fix that. Why is that still broken? What? Oh, that's why. Get rid of the static. That fixed it. Alright, good. Oh, you stupid thing. Why is it doing that shit? what's going to be in here. Stream about event factor. All right, now let's get. There we go. We fixed it. It's working. Damn it, where'd it go? That needs to get pinned. Nope, not what I wanted. Nope, not what I wanted. I want it in there. There we go. Oops. Nope, not what I wanted. This. Over here. Gotta put all the helper methods in here so we can help out our code. I don't know if this is gonna work properly, but we'll try it. You know what? I don't even know. You know what? Hang on. Let's hang on. Let's take a step back. Make sure we move these. Okay. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fucking delete all this shit. Need to just delete only all this crap. Throw all that. Keep that like that. That's a clean compile state. And should still be in here. All right, we're good there. Yeah, new folder. A couple new folders, actually. Wait, how far is this fucking method? How much for feet pics? My friend, I think you're on the wrong website. I'm just saying. I think you're on the wrong website, Mr. Sid. I think there's a blue and white website you need to go to. Or the orange and black one, whichever. Take your pick. I will pay. I'm not on that type of website, my friend. Man, I really am just trying to fucking pick apart some of this fucking code that I'm doing right now. I hate that I'm being lazy, but I also like that I'm being lazy. Oh, of course, I know you're joking. I know you're joking. Come on, man. Come on. We're on the Red app right now. We're on the Red website. You seem like a cool guy. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm pretty chill right now. I'm just kind of relaxing. So the chat, the little multi-chat thing that you're seeing right above my head, that's what I'm working on right now. I'm programming that all myself. With the help of AI, of course. It's in the description. I'm not trying to hide it. I use AI. It's over here helping me out. But I'm making this from the ground up. I don't like all the multi-chat programs that are out there. So like there's Caster Labs. I don't like it. It's very limited, I feel. So I'm making an open source sort of multi-chat program where other programmers and other people who feel like chiming in on this as an open source project, they'll be able to actually add like Kick or Facebook or YouTube or whatever, instead of being like a closed program where you have to pay a subscription to have the premium. Nah, I ain't doing any of that shit. I'm designing something cool that people can use and develop on top of. And usually I stream, you know, shooter games like Delta Force and shit. But today's kind of an off-scheduled stream, as you can tell by the title. It's an off-scheduled stream. So I'm just here just kind of relaxing and kicking back. If you want to see what I'm usually like, I mean, shit, I'm a goofy motherfucker. All I do is just laugh like a giggly schoolgirl. I made a personal AI built into a headset auto-connecting to my phone and PC that I can call Jarvis and do stuff in my system. Pretty sick. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, that's awesome, man. I always encourage development. I think it's a fun thing to do. Especially, I mean, if you're into computers too, like, you know, this is something that I feel should be a standard. Just learning code is fun. Learning code is fun. Like I can write all of this shit, right? I'm too fucking lazy to. Like, I know how to write a lot of this shit. I know how to do subscription events. I know how to do fucking, you know, object-oriented programming. Like I've done UDP and TCP client server connection. I've done all kinds of shit. So like, I'm just being lazy using AI, which I know like is kind of like a teeter-tottering on the fence kind of deal thing. Want to know something? Absolutely. I would love to know something. I learn something new every single day. I lied about that. I'm lazy and I'm eating Cheetos and Sprite right now. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Cheetos and Sprite. I actually need to get another drink. Hang on. Unfortunately, they're not cold because I just got them. But as you can probably guess what I'm doing. Dr. Pepper, please sponsor me. Send me free Dr. Peppers, please. It's actually great. I have... What the fuck is up with the bottom of all these cans? You see this? Can you see? Hang on. Hang on. I got another one right here. Look at that fucking thing. I can't put that down. I can't put my drink down. It'll tip over. Can you see that? It's like... It's round. Like, I have a mug that I can pour my drink into, but it won't hold the entire drink. It might, because I don't have ice in there anymore, but it might. Let me see. Will it fit? Eee! Holy shit. It barely fit, and that's after I took out a couple sips. Like, look, I can't fucking put that down. I can't set it down. I gotta pour it out into something else. I'm over here trying to like fucking promote Dr. Pepper and shit. And I can't because I can't use their can. My personal drink mix is Sprite, Blue Powerade, and a little teeny bit of Coke and Dr. Pepper, and finally Green Jolly Rancher. My man. Best drink ever is gonna have to be Sheepdog and Dr. Pepper. I think Sheepdog. No, Bird Dog. I'm sorry. Bird Dog and Dr. Pepper. Whiskey, my friend. Whiskey. I'm almost like fucking brain mush right now on this program. I almost need to like go back to a restore point and kind of start over a little bit on this coding session, but I also don't want to. I've created so much, and you know, like a lot of this stuff can be very useful, but it's getting the initial build going. So what I'm working on is I'm creating a universal connector, so that way anybody can implement their own DLLs, and that'll put in, like, you know, like I said, Kick, Instagram, X, anything that you're streaming on that you want to build a DLL for, you can do that and implement it. So I'm working on the connectors right now, working on StreamerBot, because currently everything that I have is actually ran through StreamerBot. So all of my followers, gifts, shares, you know, Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube, everything is ran through StreamerBot, and I'm trying to eliminate StreamerBot. But in order to do that, I got to create a connector where I can add a Twitch DLL and a YouTube DLL and set those two up. So all I have to do is log into my YouTube and Twitch through my program, and then it'll automatically pull all my live chats and everything straight from my lives. Where am I at? All right, WebSocket server. Here's where I'm at. I am trying to eliminate 90% of my WebSocket server, because my WebSocket server should not know anything about anything except that it connects to clients and shit for displaying chat messages. But I have 1,800 lines of code that does fucking everything, and it shouldn't do everything. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm trying to reduce the code in WebSocket server to make it a little bit better. I'm trying to separate everything out into its own subscription. Don't I already have? No. I don't think I do. Hang on. I don't. What's going on, amazing Gara? Welcome into the or no, not amazing Gara. What the fuck? Hang on, amazing. I'm just gonna call you amazing. What's up, man? What's that last? What's the rest of that name? Is it just amazing Aura or something like that? I'm too buzzed for this. That's not what I wanted. I'm an idiot. There we go. All right. We are moving. We are moving places with this shit. I gotta close down the multi-chat for a second. Make sure everything compiles here. All right, we're good there. This has got a lot of fucking references to it. I'm gonna copy this, just kind of put it over here. Hang on. Let's actually grab something else for a second. This is probably gonna break fucking everything. In fact, let's do this. Get display name. We're gonna comment this out. Ensure ID. We actually gotta undo the comment. We're gonna comment this out. Do that. All right, then I gotta do this one, which only should have this. Only one reference, yep. All right, so we're gonna comment this out. I'm not gonna completely remove shit just yet. Oh no, don't, oh my fucking god, what the hell? What the fuck just happened? Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, I went too far. There we go. Okay. So that's commented out. Try this again. Comment this shit out. There we go. That's good. All right, let's get. Come on, you son of a bitch. There we go. Add chatter information. Copy. And then we're going to comment this bitch out as well. All right, this. All right, we're gonna need. Wait, I already moved. No, I didn't. Hang on. I gotta go and get the method for get string value, move it over as a helper, because I'm gonna need this to help in things in here. There we go. That fixes a lot of the issues. Process chat event. let's comment this out for just a minute. No. We're going to physically cut out WebSocket server. One method at a time, process check. Nothing left. We'll move process. Until first left. Then we'll move process check. From this point on, okay, so I'm actually just gonna go ahead and move this. We're actually just gonna go ahead and move this. So let's do this. We'll keep all the helpers at the bottom. We'll put that in there. All right. So this needs to be, there needs to be a reference back to the WebSocket server somewhere. Okay. Everything in here should compile except for those methods at the top here. So line 82 and up. That'll just be these guys. Just these. And then on WebSocket server 240 event. Okay, so I just got to comment out process. Gotta comment this out. That'll get rid of 2 errors, but it'll add 2 errors. Process chat message. I'll get rid of you for a second. And then process chat message, handle chat. I'm gonna get rid of that because we don't need it. Now I just have these messages, these right here. Now we get to solve these problems. Let's see what the almighty ChatGPT has to say. For real this time. What are we for real in this time? Maybe not migrate this just yet. We got a constructor. Got so we've got ensure ID. Get string value, which is right here. I'm actually going to reorganize this a little bit, make this make sense. Yep, there we go. And then this up here. Put username right below it, which already is. And then, so we have our 4 methods. Okay. So we're looking good. So let's see. Let's get our add milestone method here. Got 0 references to it. That's good. That means I can cut it out completely. And I might be able to just go ahead and cut all these commented codes out too. Fuck it. If I have to put everything back, I will. I'm not deleting code. I'm just moving it. All right. So with that said, let's go ahead and put this here. Should have 0 references. And then we're going to go grab, oh, that has 1 reference. Where's that reference? Oh, no, it has 0 references. Okay, we're good. We are good. We are good. Bigger milestone action. That's going to be the next one. So we'll go ahead and grab that 2 over here. Completely cut these out. Chatter processor. Yeah, yeet. Throw those bitches in there. Good, good, good. The migration is coming along. Create viewer snapshot. I thought I already put this somewhere else. Didn't I put the viewer snapshot somewhere else? Hang on. Yeah, I put the viewers. I did not put viewer snapshot somewhere else yet. Maybe I'm not gonna do this. The viewer snapshot somewhere else. Let's keep that there for now. I'd like to migrate viewer snapshot over to its own service though, because I think I have multiple methods that call it. But yeah, see, I have like 13 fucking methods that call it. Let's check. Add viewer to message 2 has got multiple methods that call that bitch. Yeah, I got multiple fucking things. Okay. Let me see. See, not that one. Add viewer to message. Do I already have this? I don't. Do I already have a community folder? I probably don't. This fucking thing keeps making me make more folders. I don't even think anything's referencing this shit yet. We're gonna leave this. We're gonna leave this alone. Yeah, I don't have a community folder yet. That's fine. We'll create a folder for community because community kind of is its own thing. And then we'll create a new item for the snapshot builder. And then we'll build this for that. Now I think I already have this in services, but viewer snapshot service, I think we're gonna delete that. And then I think we're gonna delete. Oh wait, you know what? Wait, can I just undo that and put that file back? I can't. That's fine. I am gonna delete these though, and then I'm gonna put actually this back in here. Viewers snapshot. Service.cs. Okay, add viewer to message. This should already be in the message augmentation service. Add viewer to message. Yeah, that's already in there. Wait, we already have a reference to this? We do. Process TikTok share event. Oh wait, okay, so we've already got a thing for that, but we're gonna take that away. That means in augmentation service we have 0 references. There we go. Works. That works. Okay, so now back over here. We need to get the snapshot. Create viewer snapshot. I need to take this out of this method completely. This needs to come out all the way. Oh, nope. Get every bit of it. There we go. And then I need to go into snapshot service. Nope. You mother... Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. There we go. We got it. We got it. All right, so we're gonna fix this first. Let me see here. Viewer snapshot service. Motherfucker service dot. There we go. All right. Okay, that should work. That should work. I'm gonna have to make this public static. I'm probably gonna have to make this static as well, so it can be referenced outside. And then WebSocket server, I'm gonna need to go over here and grab, where is it? Where is it? Viewer level. I have to grab this and come over here, right here. Maybe not right there. Hello? Outside. Outside the method into a static read only. Yeah, that's fine. WebSocket server. This shouldn't matter here because over here, I think it's in the constructor, isn't it? Your levels, I get level. Yeah, I don't think that really matters anymore. WebSocket server. So this is viewer levels, throw new argument, name of viewer levels. I don't think that I need this anymore. Same thing with like message milestone. I don't think I need any of that shit. Oops. Okay. Let's see. What the fuck did I just do? Okay. There we go. Save. All right. So there's that. $65 through let me see. I need to know if this is used anywhere else. Damn it, you motherfucker. Alright, let's remove this. We're not going to need that anymore. there's that. I don't know if it still works. We're about to compile it and find out. Things are probably broken. Oh, wait. Hang on. I forgot I gotta undo this. Maybe I do chat event processor dot process chat. Can I do that? I don't know if I can. Let's see. Oh, I don't have process chat over there yet. That's right. Okay. I need process chat. Process chat event. So let's grab process chat event. Process chat event. It's got 0 references. That's good. Go here and maybe we can drop this in now and maybe it'll work. Let's go. Fuck. Message. No. Message augmentation. No. Service. Dot. Add viewer. Is inaccessible due to protection level. Okay, so it'll be over here. Yep. There we go. Problem found. Public. Easy shit. That we shouldn't get any compilation errors, I don't think. Everything should just go away. Maybe. Okay. One went away. Protection level. Okay, same thing. Chat event processor. This needs to be public. It's probably private. Yes, it is. Public. Probably needs to be static as well. I'm gonna guess it needs to be static. Let's try non-static for a second. Hopefully that just kind of goes away. That error should just disappear. I hate how long it takes this thing to fucking update. Non-static field. Okay, so I have to make it static. That's fine. Static. Which means you're gonna have to update all of these as well. Static. Static. It's gonna create a bunch of errors, but we're gonna fix all the errors. Static. Yeah, alright, I knew it. Static. We're gonna do this the smart way here. Everything's gotta be static now. If you're not gonna assign except in a static constructor. Static constructor. Access modifiers are not allowed. Static constructor. All right, we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna slap these over here and see what it gives me as far as a solution. Give me a solution. Give me the solution, my friend. I'll just give you the whole fucking script. I don't give a shit. Give me the solution. Okay, so it's telling me to remove static. Why? Come on, go away, errors. It should not be trying to get string value. String return. Okay. I think it's static anymore. What the fuck's going on? There we go. There we go. Alright, so now we gotta try to do... Once this compiles, next step actually is replacing process chat in web.server with chat processor. Okay. So underscore chat process. I don't think we have that yet. Chat process. We do not. So this is not going to be the... That's not going to be what we want. We need to add a private field for our chat processor here. But that can stay. Oh, no, never mind. It can't. Fucking annoying. There we go, that's better. Gotta organize some of this shit, man. There we go, that's better. I don't even know what this migrated events thing is. Can I just comment this out? Is it even being used? Let's try this. Is that gonna give me errors? Yes, it is. Alright, we'll figure that out later. Let's just put it here at the bottom. I don't even care. Give me something that works. Okay, and we're gonna add a using up here for event processors. Wait, am I already using that? No, I'm not. There's a duplicate there. Pre-provision names. Okay, so I don't need that. Yeah, because up here. Okay, it's right there. All right. Instantiate it. Wait a minute. In the constructor immediately after. Immediately after this. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. I don't need this though. Event check. Okay, but I need it over here because it's right there. I'll figure that out in just a second. Okay, I'm gonna change this to. Okay, so that doesn't show me any errors anymore. That should have successfully migrated everything over to here, but we still have one error, and that is that the underscore viewer levels does not exist over here. Okay. We're so close. We're so close to migrating chat over. So close. And I believe that's migrating over to the new pipeline, I believe. Public web social security. Basic instructor. Alright, we're gonna grab a couple of these lines here just so it fucking knows. Alright. Come on, program thing. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Wait a minute. What? Underscore chat process. Do viewer levels. Yeah. That should work. All right, no compile errors. Let's give it a shot. So the chat processor should. It's all been moved. So at this point, it should work fine. It's just migrated to a different file. Let's see. Nope, we got an error. There we go. I got the actual error code. So maybe... Okay, viewer snapshot. We're gonna get the entire script here. Getting the whole damn thing. We just need to fix the viewer level problem. Public sealed. Okay. Gonna do that. That should work. Add the constructor. We're gonna put that right there. There we go. Good. Maybe go away. Change this to non-static because we don't need static. And right into cat event. Cat processor. Add this at the top. Viewer snapshot. Change the constructor to this. There we go. Should work now. Oh, one more change. Change this to lowercase v and underscore prior. That should go to what it should go to. See, what is this referencing to? It's WebSocket server referencing to it. Okay, so that's all going to the viewer snapshot. So maybe I got to add this field at the top of. Yeah, I got it. Maybe. This is gonna create a whole heap of problems. Just kind of starting things out here. So I'm thinking maybe I create temporarily the same thing. You know what? Maybe I can actually grab it through the chat processor. Let's see. Can I grab it through the chat processor? Dot underscore. I cannot. So let's try to make that public for a second. I need to expose public for now. I need to expose that publicly for now. Just so I can grab it from here. There we go. That should work and solve all my problems. It's not the way I want to do it, but it's the way that it's going to happen for now. It's not the way I wanted to do this, but we're going to do it this way anyways. Just for now. There we go. And last problem. We are so close. So close. We have cut out 400 lines of code out of WebSocket server and moved it over to its own file. Makes things easy. All right, so from here, always means the compiler can no longer infer the type being enumerated. Need to see the code around that. Okay, so we'll just do this. Should be roughly right about right. Oh, there we go. Wait, no, not what I wanted. Jesus Christ. Underscore, it's the same thing. Viewer, what is it? Underscore chat processor underscore viewer snapshot. That should fix it. Fixed it. Alright, so I think actually what I'm gonna do is this. Hang on. I've got an idea. I have been advised by the great gods of AI to do something. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay. And then in the construct, when this is created, there, because this is going to go off when it's created. Okay, that should work. Chat event processor, and then here, we got chatter registry, viewer level. Go here for a second. Okay, then we're gonna pass. Trying to think. Milestone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna add viewer snapshot service. Go. That should fix that. Yeah, it's fine. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna do viewer snapshot service. Viewer snapshot service. Yep, and then we can take this and we can go viewer snapshots. Just like that. Now, now it's owned by WebSocket server. So that way everything references the same one. Right? Possible no reference for, okay. That means right before this, I need to create it. Okay. So I need to go here. Oh, wait, no. It's right here. I'm gonna copy this, put it right here beforehand, so that way it's not null. There we go. That works. So we'll create it, and then we'll put it over there. That works. Then, chat event processor stores it. We're back to a compile state, which is good. This is fantastic. But I need to go and find all of the chat processor dot underscore viewer snapshot. So it's all this shit. All this shit needs to change to just this. There we go. I should get 0 errors on this. That should launch just fine, and then we're going to throw a chat its way and see if it works. And I can actually get rid of this. I don't need any of that shit. I don't really need this anymore. Okay, we're good there. New message? Does it work? Hey, it works! Check that out! The new pipeline for messages is working. Sick. Fuck yeah. All right, so now WebSocket server should know absolutely nothing at all about chat messages. It still has this. is get string value, which I might put that into its own thing later. I don't know. Broadcast, it's got its own thing. That can stay there for now. 440. Okay, so oh, these are all my test methods. Okay, so these, none of this shit matters. Because that's going straight from the WebSocket server. And that, okay, those are my test methods. I don't need to worry about that. That's fine. Broadcast is good. Put a comment here. Add client, remove client, get client count, process outgoing message. I think this needs to stay in here. Because this is a socket thing. Process an outgoing message. It's a socket thing. I think I might be down to maybe moving everything out now that I've kind of figured out what I needed to do. Let me see. Everything still works. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and get off. I will be live tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Playing Delta Force Warfare, so make sure you tune in. I think I'm going to wrap up my code for tonight. I kind of accomplished what I wanted to. What I've managed to do is essentially create a connector for some of the incoming information that's going to come from any source that an open source developer wants to add into this thing. But that's kind of what I'm working on, is the infrastructure for the connectors. So, or I shouldn't say infrastructure, the architecture. But once the architecture is complete for the connector, then it'll be as simple as just make a connector, add the events, and it should work just fine. So with that said, I appreciate everybody for stopping in. Thank you so much for watching and chilling with me tonight. For those of you that stayed by. Again, I'll be live tomorrow. We'll be playing some Delta Force as usual. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace on out.